This video is installing a home water filter instead of one of the inline hose water filters that you see at the campsites into my Flagstaff Microlight 25 FBLS. So I'm basically getting rid of the cheaper water filters that goes in line with the hose whenever you get to the campsites. Stop using that. I will still have to use the relief valve or the water regulating valve. So I'll have the campsite water connection going through the regulating valve into the hose straight into the city water connection on the camper. So my city water, this is the Culligan home water filter I have. I've already made kind of a bracket and like a base plate that's going to have to go in. Just 2 hose connections. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, well, with mine, the city water connection comes in and it comes straight down through that hole, and it came in right here. I've already cut this line. So this is where there's a T fitting, where if you're using your freshwater tank, the pump goes straight in and goes through here. So basically, cut the line here. On the back of the city water connection is just your regular fitting. This just unscrews from it. So I took that out, reused this fitting with some hose that I had to buy. This is 1/2-inch hose, 5/8 outer diameter. The Culligan water filter is going to be right on the other side of this wall. I'm going to go on the back side. It's going to go right here. So the water inlet will come into here. Outlet will go right back over to that other side that city water connection in to here through the filter, out, right back into that T-fitting that you saw on the other side. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so now the filter housing is mounted on the inside. I also took a hole saw, and this is where the hose is going to come back out, and this is where it'll come in to the filter. So I've got the wooden plate on there, 4 screws on this side, and on the inside I have a separate piece of wood that it screws into, so it's supported on both sides. So next I'm going to run the hoses to the filter. Okay, so now I have the water lines hooked up. I actually used a PEX and a hose clamp just to be sure. Shouldn't have even needed the hose clamp, but I had them, so I did. So water line coming in and out. Then on the inside, water coming from the city water connection in, out, back into that T-fitting, and this is where it goes out to the camper. And if it's coming from your pump, that's also where it goes back out to the camper. So with these Culligan home water filters, there are different filter elements you can use. This is the one that came with it. This is a standard 5-micron filter. Basically, you just put it in the bottom. Get it to where it starts to thread. The bottom will actually center it and put it where it needs to be. Tighten it up, and then it also comes with a filter wrench. And that is it. So this is what it looks like installed. The filter element, like I said, this is a 5-micron. They sell all kinds of different filter elements. You can get a charcoal filter, everything else for cleaner water. This will pretty much just filter out the sediment, but you can put in any type of filter element you want to suit your needs. Hope this video helped. Happy camping.